Hi, I'm Russ from BBQ Spirit Rotisserie. Tonight we're going to cook tacodillas. What is that, you might ask? Well, I love tacos, I also love quesadillas. Boom, tacodilla. Alright, first step to making our awesome tacos is a little bit of rub. Today we're going to use the best Cosmos garlic jalapeno rub. Let's get it on. Alright, the chicken's rubbed. It's on the grill. The old trick, we're going to get it on the barbecue. Alright, well, while the chicken's cooking, we're going to make a quick little pico de gallo. Just tomato, onion, jalapeno, cilantro, and lime. That's it.